Hello and welcome to Cannabinoid TV. This video is going to discuss trichomes, cannabinoid metabolism and decarboxylation. Remember, as always, smash the like button and make sure and subscribe so you can receive all the latest Cannabinoid TV news and updates. Now then, let's talk cannabis. Cannabinoids, as mentioned in my cannabinoid video, are phytochemicals produced in cannabis, more specifically in the trichomes of cannabis. Trichomes are the phytochemical factories which are present on the surface of cannabis and produce cannabinoids, terpenes and flavonoids. Trichomes create a sticky resin on the surface of the plant, with the purpose of capturing male cannabis seeds through wind dispersal whilst also providing protection from strong UV rays. There are three types of trichome, which occur over the life cycle of cannabis. Bulbous trichomes, which cover the entire plant and are microscopic, comprising of only a few cells. Capitate sessile trichomes, which are slightly larger in size and are comprised of a head and stalk. Capitate stalk trichomes, which are the trichomes that can be seen with the naked eye, and which reach maturity at the end of flower. Cannabinoid production begins in the early stages of flower, with the interaction between two molecules, gerlin pyrophosphate and olivetic acid. Both of these molecules combine to form cannabigerolic acid, the precursor cannabinoid for all subsequent cannabinoids which are then produced. CBGA then interacts with synthase enzymes, which allow it to metabolize into every other cannabinoid. The quantity and quality of synthase enzymes determine the cannabinoid content of the end product. For instance, a cannabis plant with a large amount of THCA synthase enzyme and a low amount of CBDA synthase enzyme will produce a cannabinoid profile with high THC and low CBD. THC is the only cannabinoid acknowledged to give psychoactive effects. THCA, on the other hand, is non-psychoactive, therefore does not get the consumer high. It is not until heat is applied to cannabis that the neutral THCA molecule loses its carboxylic acid to become the active molecule THC. This process is called decarboxylation. In simpler terms, the flame that burns a consumer's joint acts as the activation method to turn the THCA into THC. Without the flame, phytocannabinoids remain in their acidic form and non-psychoactive. Once the THCA has been converted into THC, it is ready to be absorbed into the body via any number of methods: smoking, vapour or edible. When THC is consumed in edible form, it goes through a final stage by passing through the liver and is changed from THC to 11-hydroxyl THC, which provides a stronger, longer lasting effect. However, this is only applicable when THC is ingested orally. When smoked or vaporized, this final process does not occur. This is by no means an exhaustive list on the details of trichomes, cannabinoid production and decarboxylation. It's only intended on giving a brief introduction to the concepts. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. You can find Cannabinoid and all the other relevant information in the link in the description box below. I'll see you next time.